The last type that we're going to look at then for factorising is difference of two squares. This is the fourth type. So in difference of two squares, the main thing here is about spotting when to do this. So we know when to do this because every number that we see, we can get the root of. And every letter that we see is squared. So that's how we know it's this type. And finally, everything in the middle is always a minus. So it's always a minus in the middle. Next thing then is what we have to do this is we open up brackets for each thing. So in the bracket goes whatever it would have been before it was squared. So in here is going to go a 4 and in here will stay a. The last part of this then, all you do is inside two brackets, you write 4 minus a and 4 plus a. And that's that question done. The next question then that we'll look at is this one down here. And same thing, I'm going to put in my brackets. I know this is what they were before they were squared. I know that this number would have been a 7 and the letter would have been a y. The last one then would have been a 9 and we would have the letter of x. So my brackets here are going to be 7y minus 9 and 7y plus 9. Now we will take a look at one more example for this, just so that we've seen it before. Or we've seen it. Over at the side here, I'm going to write in if we had a squared minus 1. A squared minus 1. So if we had that question, same thing applies. I would keep whatever it was squared. That would be an a. The root of 1 is 1. And my number would have been, or my answer would have been a minus 1 and a plus 1. So just be careful of ever seeing this here. It's hard to spot that you need to do that because it's hard to visualize that is, we can get the square root of that, but just be careful with that one. Okay, the questions that we are going to try then are on page 54. And we are going to start on question 27. And we're going to keep going with them until we find them that they're no problem, and then you can move on and try the next video.